Hi guys, welcome back with me again in this channel. On today's video, I'm going to show you how you can record videos on CapCut. So if you guys didn't know, there is a feature called camera in CapCut where you can directly record your own video in a CapCut apps, and maybe if you want to edit it, you can just go straight to the edit page from the camera. So here I've already opened the CapCut apps, and here the camera can be found at the top left corner of the apps. And if you want to use it, you can just click on this camera icon. Okay, so the camera will be open like this, and you can see if you can also use a front camera by clicking on this rotate or flip. There you can record a portrait or like a front camera videos, and here you can also use the prompter feature. You can adjust the speed in the right panel in here, and here you can also add some filter if you want. And there are also a timer that can be used from 3 or 7 seconds. And here there's also duration, flash, and quality that you can set for your video. Here you can also set the duration from 15 seconds to 3 minutes. And after that, you can also add some effect. Here you can all add multi clips, or you can also just do it one shot. Okay, so that's how you can record. You can just click on this green button to record the clip, and just click on the check icon when you are done. Okay, here you can edit it on CapCut. Okay guys, so that's all from me. Thank you so much for watching. Please don't forget to subscribe, like this video, comment, and also click on the thanks button. Bye.